Now, there's also alert in the country over threats from Pakistan in terms of espionage and a spy network that may have been active in the country. Remember this after at least 12 spies have been alleged spies have been caught, and 6 of them were from Haryana. This has created a huge concern, and now the Haryana Home Secretary is holding a key meeting on a crackdown on this spy network, as it were, and now Haryana YouTube channels are under the scanner, as many of them were influencers, YouTubers, like Jyoti, the Haryana, the YouTuber who has been arrested and is currently being interrogated. So the Haryana police really working to uncover the spy network after the arrest of 6 spies from Haryana, we're told, of which one is Jyoti Malhotra. Let's just listen into what the Chief Secretary had to say.
पाक संबंधित कुछ ऑपरेटिव्स का हरियाणा में अरेस्ट हुआ है, तो उस पर भी चर्चा हुई कि ये हमें जो अभी तक इसमें सफलता मिली है उसको हम कार्रवाई को पूर्ण ना समझें, और ये कार्रवाई एक निरंतर कार्रवाई है, क्योंकि इस पे अभी भी जो ऐसे कोई भी और व्यक्ति हैं जो और अन्य यूट्यूब चैनल्स हैं उनको भी खंगाला जा रहा है, और कई बार नए चैनल्स नए नाम से उत्पन्न हो जाते हैं, तो उस पर भी नज़र रखी जा रही है। सो ये अब जो प्रक्रिया है, ये तफ्तीश है, ये अभी जारी रहेगी। जो पाक लिंक्ड ऑपरेटिव्स हैं और जो सोशल मीडिया के माध्यम से जो इस तरह का प्रचार, दुष्प्रचार या लिंक्स बना रहे हैं, सो ये दिस वाज अ बिग पॉइंट ऑफ डिस्कशन।
Well, let's go across to Gurpreet for more on this story. And Gurpreet, one can imagine huge concern in the administration after these allegations that these 6 people have been arrested, and it's being said that they were spying for Pakistan, and special attention being paid to YouTubers, given Jyoti Malhotra and what one has seen of her travelogue that she used to post about.
Well, today we have seen Haryana Chief Minister has taken a very, very strong meeting on law and order, and in which we have seen multiple things have been discussed with all the top officers. We have seen directions had already been given to all the officers to just explore the network of these spy who has been operating from Haryana land, and we have seen the 6 people have already been arrested, and specifically after the arrest of YouTuber Jyoti Malhotra, a lot of precautions and lot of guidelines had been given to each administration in all the districts. We have seen they have started keeping an eye over all the social media handlers, and they are trying to explore more angles from various investigation which is already being carried out by the Haryana police. And after the arrest of 6 people, they are trying to explore their network within Haryana. So today marathon discussion was being carried out, and we have seen finally the top officer of Haryana, they have already given all these direction to the district administration, so that these things will be intact in all the districts, and all the precautions should be taken. And if there is any spy network which is being operated for Pakistan agencies, there is need to work more on that, and these type of direction and instruction had been passed to the local administration in all the districts. So we have to wait and watch, because 6 people have already been arrested. We have seen Jyoti Malhotra is being questioned and interrogated by NIA, IB and other agencies also, so that they will be able to explore a lot of angles and what type of information had been given and leaked by Jyoti Malhotra to Pakistan agencies. That is still under investigation. We asked this question to the Home Secretary also. She says we are also trying to explore all these angles, so that we will be able to understand how this social media handlers and network is being exploited by Pakistani agencies. Back to studio.